Hi there, I'm Kathy Barker from Software Solutions, and we're looking at visuals inside of Power BI desktop reports. I now want to look at maps. If you're a person who deals with geographical data on an international scale, for example, then you're going to like maps. I'm going to start first of all by creating a new page. So I'll just hit my plus here, and I'm going to double click and name this page Sales Geography. I'll take a copy of this text and I'll insert a text box and I'll paste. I'll press Ctrl A and I'll change the font size to 18. So this is my sales geography page. I want it to look like the other pages, so I click on a blank part of the report canvas and I'm going to set the canvas background to white, darker 10%, and transparency to 50%. Now I'm ready to add my map. Now on my visualizations pane, there's actually two types of maps. This map is a filled map, but this map is the one I'm after. Click on map and then move it and resize it to pretty much take up most of the page. Now I decide what I want on my map. First of all, I want to see the countries and the sum or the amount of total sales by that country. So country, my ship country, is in my fact orders query. I grab ship country and I make it a location. But I'm also going to grab ship country and make it also my legend. So I know across the top here what color each country is. Now my total sales is what I want for my bubble size. The bigger the bubble, the bigger the sales. So if I go to my fact order details, grab total sales and put that in my bubble size, there you can see the size of the bubbles grow to reflect the total sales amount by country. If I rest on this one, for example, I can see that the USA had a total sales of 263,000. Whereas if I rest on South America, then I can see it's 114,000. So really handy. I want to change the title, so I'll format my general title to say World Sales by Location. And I'll make it black so I can see it more clearly in the top corner there. So I'm going to make that black. All right. Now I want to change my map style. So I'm going to go to Visual, and here's my map settings, and here's my map style. This is what they call a road map. But if I hit the drop down, I could say, give me grayscale. Or give me light. Or give me dark. And give me aerial. So different ways that you can view your map. And I'm just going to go actually for a light style. I think that's the easiest one to read. And now I also want to turn on some of the controls. So when I actually go to controls here, I want to turn on the zoom buttons. So now there they are there. And I want to turn on the lasso button. And there it is there, so people can drag around and lasso stuff. So now it's easy for people to zoom in and zoom out and actually see, like if I zoom in here and then scroll across and then zoom in again, I can see that most of my sales are coming from this region here, and so on and so forth, and minus as well. So those are a map. If you've got geographical information, really handy to be able to add a map and see information geographically dispersed. And I'm just going to save my Power BI file. Come back for the next video. I hope you're enjoying them.